Are you making money but still feel broke every month? Or maybe you're just unsure how to plan for retirement, build wealth, and actually feel financially secure? Don't worry, in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact steps to take control of your money, stop stressing about bills, and start building real financial freedom. Let's get real. Most Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Over 60% don't even have $500 saved for an emergency. Credit card debt is at an all-time high, and people are still afraid of the word investing. Why? Because nobody taught us how money works. But that ends today. The first thing you need to understand is that income alone doesn't make you rich. Habits do. Whether you make $3,000 a month or $30,000, the way you manage that money decides your future. So let's start with the basics. Budgeting. Think of this like being the CEO of your money. Every dollar you earn should have a job. The simplest budgeting method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, bills, groceries. 30% goes to wants: dining out, subscriptions, shopping. And 20% goes to savings or debt repayment. Let's say you make $5,000 a month. That's $2,500 for essentials, $1,500 for lifestyle, and $1,000 for savings or paying off debt. Sounds doable, right? But here's the problem. Most people don't even know where their money is going. If you're spending $700 a month on food delivery or impulse shopping, that's over $8,000 a year. That's money you could have invested. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB. You need a budget, or good budget, to track your spending. Once you see the numbers, you can't unsee them. Now let's talk saving. This is where you start paying yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, save at least 20% of your income. If that's too much to start, even 10% is better than nothing. The goal is to build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This is your financial cushion when life happens. Medical bills, job loss, car trouble. Open a high-yield savings account. Don't just use the big banks that give you 0.01% interest. Go for online banks like Ally, Discover, or Capital One. They offer 4% or more. That's literally free money for doing nothing. I'll give you an example. Emily, a 22-year-old from Texas, started saving just $200 a month in a high-yield account. In 5 years, she had over $14,000 just from consistent saving and compound interest. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Investing. Saving is for security. Investing is for growth. And no, you don't need to be rich to start. You get rich by starting. The easiest and safest way to begin is with index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks, and they're less risky than buying individual stocks. For example, and S&P 500 Index Fund invests in the top 500 companies in the U.S. Let's say you invest $500 a month into an S&P 500 ETF. If it grows at 10% per year, which is average, you'll have over $95,000 in 10 years. And in 20 years, over $340,000. You can invest through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Start with a Roth IRA or your 401k, especially if your employer offers a match. That's free money. Don't try to time the market. Just focus on time in the market. Now let's address the silent killer of wealth: debt. Credit card debt is dangerous because of the high interest. If you only pay the minimum each month, you'll stay in debt for years. So here's how to tackle it. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Or use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest balances first for motivation. Use tools like Tally or undaybt.it to automate payments and stay on track. Student loans, auto loans, all of it adds up. The goal is to get debt-free as fast as possible so you can focus on building real wealth. And once you start growing your money, you need to protect it. That means getting the right insurance: health insurance, term life insurance if you have kids or dependents, and disability insurance in case you can't work for a while. Also, be careful of scams. If someone promises 20% monthly returns with zero risk, run. That's not investing, that's fraud. Set up two-factor authentication on all your banking apps. Check your credit report regularly on Credit Karma or Experian. So let's wrap this up. Financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about having choices. It's about being able to say no to a toxic job or yes to an opportunity without worrying about your next paycheck. You can get there even if you're starting from zero. Here's your action plan. 1. Track your expenses. 2. Create a budget. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Start investing even $50 a month. 5. Pay off debt. 6. Protect yourself with insurance. What's your #1 money goal this year? Drop it in the comments. Let's grow together. And hey, if this helped you even a little, hit that subscribe button. New videos every week to help you master your money and unlock financial freedom. You got this. Subscribe now.